All right, today we're looking at Plutonium Caverns, and the reason for this is because there's been a port for Turbo Pascal, so we're going to look at that. But the original version is written in C. It's on GitHub, and you can take a look at it. I'll put the links in the description. But here's all the C code here, and I also forked the Turbo Pascal port, and here's all the source here. Again, I'll put the links in the description. And so I'm going to also show you how to compile it because the instructions are missing some key information. But basically, Plutonium Caverns is a sokoban type game. This is the classic where you move crates and boxes around. And this is a variation of it. What we can do is also play this online. And it should come up any second now. Nope. Let's try again. There we go. So I guess not every try is a success. Okay, so let's start. Press enter. And here's our little story. We're an alien traveler. Feels hard to find. We must explore and collect enough plutonium gems to fuel up our ship. So that's the basics. We just collect the gem for fuel. And let's start with the first level. And let's see if I can remember how to play this. So we're the little green guy who looks like ET from the side profile with a little belly. And if I remember correctly, we collect the first jewel, and that's it. So that's how you clear the board. As long as you get the jewels, you don't have to do anything else. Let's see if I could remember how to get past this. No, that's not going to work. Let's see. Nope. Anyway, you could always retry by hitting DR, and that'll start you over, or escape and select restart. But we're going to quit this. So you see how the web version looks, and I'm going to jump to my DOS box here. And so if we take a look, I've pretty much downloaded the source code for the Pascal version. You could compile this with Turbo Pascal or TMT Pascal. I didn't test it with that. So that means you could have a 32-bit DOS version, but let's just stick in with regular Turbo Pascal. The one folder that's not included is the assets folder, and you have to get that from the original C version. So if we go back to the C version, if we go into if we go into core, is it? Nope. Oh, here we go. Okay, it's the main folder. So if you copy this folder from the C version into your Pascal folder or work folder, and this is what I've done here. You can see it right here. So all the assets are in this folder, and all we have to do is just specify our Turbo Pascal source location. And let me just, so mine is in TP7 bin folder, and if we execute this, it'll build the entire application, and I can run it, and it looks exactly the same. And we have audio. Again, the same story. I'm not going to waste time with that. And it plays the same way. It actually looks a little smoother on the DOS box. Okay, and that's it. So I can play more levels, but you get the idea. Anyway, what's interesting about this is the full source code. So you can take a look at this and study it, whether it's the C version or the Pascal version. It's pretty clean. It's a good port. You could easily modify this to include additional levels. So that's my little find. Usually when I find things on GitHub, they're not able to compile or work very well. Sometimes I get lucky and I find a little gem like this, so this is what I'm sharing. So leave a comment if you find something like this and want me to take a look at it, and I'll try compiling it.